Hi there, students. A no-show. No-show. Okay, this is somebody who does not appear. Somebody, for example, who rents or books a hotel room and they don't appear and they don't cancel. Yeah, that's a no-show. Somebody who books an English lesson and then doesn't send a message to cancel and doesn't appear. Yeah, show from to show up, to appear, to arrive on the scene. So a no-show is somebody who is expected but does not arrive. I think this happens with passengers, with buses and trains and aeroplanes. Yeah, there are no shows. That's what the standby list is for. Yeah, this is for people who are expected but don't arrive. This is why airlines overbook some flights, because they're certain that they're going to have a number of no shows. So a no-show, a person who's made a reservation, a booking, an appointment, but they don't keep it, they don't turn up, and they don't cancel it. So there were various empty seats as a result of no-shows. Yeah, they reserve a space, yeah, and they don't cancel the reservation, or they buy a ticket but they don't attend. Yeah, so a no-show, this is a failure to show up. Now, there is even this phrase, a no-show job. Now, a no-show job is a position where you get paid for the job, but you're not expected to do any work. I think this is the modern version of a sinecure. Sinecure, S-I-N-E-C-U-R-E, a sinecure. The politician gave various no-show jobs to members of his family. Yeah, so you don't have to go to work, you don't have to do any work, but you receive a salary. That's a no-show job. I guess you could have a no-show fee. Yeah, you get charged extra for not appearing. Well, I think a no-show fee is probably for when you book something but you don't appear. Yeah, maybe you lose your deposit or something like that. Okay, so no shows. One of the speakers was a no-show, and I had to give the speech myself. Okay, so you're expecting this person to come, but they are a no-show. Yeah, this is talking about the failure to inform that you're not coming. Yeah, this is somebody who's an absentee, but an absentee without cancellation, without letting anyone know. Yeah, you're not. Yeah. So not appearing as scheduled, not appearing as expected. Notice I've even seen this no-show just written as NS as an abbreviation. Yeah, it's what I've seen teachers write NS as an abbreviation for students that don't come to class and haven't cancelled. Okay, so let's see. No-show, a no-show formality. I'm going to give this a 4.5 in formality. Use informally, use in a semi-formal conversation, a semi-formal writing, but don't use it very formally. Yeah, and then origin, it comes from the phrasal verb to show up, to appear. So the nobody showed up at the party. Everybody was a no-show. Yeah, so to show up, to appear, to make your presence. So a no-show is somebody who doesn't go. I've been trying to think of a verb for this, to no-show, but I guess English is probably malleable enough. Several people no-showed, but I would say there were several no-shows. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. No show.